Hey, Andrew here at SHOT 2020 with Tim, president and founder of Maxpedition. Looks like you've got all kinds of new stuff this year. Tell me about some of it.
Yeah, so these are our new bags for SHOT Show 2020. Late last year, we introduced our Prepared Citizen Classic backpack. That did really well, so for SHOT Show, we've expanded that line. Here you'll see two of the Classic version 2.0s, and for SHOT Show, we did two limited edition colors. So we have royal blue and dark blue here, and we have dark blue and dark gray here. Both of these are limited to 199 pieces and available on Maxpedition.com for $59.
Oh, wow. I love the sort of gray man look to this. You see everybody here walking around with their mollied out packs, right. And we saw them in the airport, we right. see them at the restaurant, right. We're like, that guy's going to SHOT.
Right. So Maxpedition definitely makes that kind of bag. That's our legacy line.
Of course, yeah.
And this is our discreet concealed carry line. Yes. So all the same materials and constructions as from that line, extremely tough, except the exterior. These were designed to purposely look like a traditional American style book bag.
Yeah, I like it.
And also for SHOT Show 2020, we took this one and we actually made a more advanced and larger version called the Deluxe. So this backpack has an entire middle compartment that's larger, and it has water bottle holders on each side.
Oh,
so
nice.
An expansion of the same line, sort of the same design. Again, the gray man, discreet concealed carry.
Yeah, I like that a lot. I have a couple of your other bags, and they're great bags. And when I'm doing gun guy stuff, it's great. You go to the range, you go hiking and camping, but I don't really want to take them to work because right. I don't want my coworkers to know I'm that guy.
Exactly, you know? Yeah. So Maxpedition, we make different series of products for different applications. You know, so you have the tactical with the molly stuff for the range, and you have this stuff for day-to-day urban carry. Also for SHOT Show, we're displaying a few prototypes. Here we have our next design for the Prepared Citizen. This is the TT3 and the TT5. The larger one's 26 liters and the smaller one's 22 liters. And in terms of styling, again, they're designed more of a discreet look. We decided to go a little bit more bushcraft or woodsman on this one.
Yeah.
By creating a pack that has the look of that top lidded style backpack. So this frontal pocket is actually just an accessory pocket, but gives the pack that look of where it's the top access. We have a traditional U-shaped zipper on top for accessing the main compartment, and there's also a hidden opening here that goes all the way across the front that gives you access to the main front. So there's dual access, and I'll be showing you some of the details of this backpack a little bit later on.
Okay.
Moving on, lastly, we have this, just a large practical tote. We call this the Rolly Polly Folding Tote. The Rolly Polly is a famous, well-known product in our legacy line. Exactly. So this backpack will fold up into a little wad like this. Easy to just stow away. Great for groceries, laundry, or when you're traveling, extra things you find or you buy. Just a practical product. So all the prototypes have been pretty well received at this SHOT Show.
That's a lot like a flight bag. Lots of soldiers use a flight bag for their A bag, if you will. It's really handy just to have a big, huge bag to shove a bunch of stuff in.
Exactly, yeah.
That's great stuff. Can you do me a favor? Can you talk to me a little bit about when these are available and walk me through pricing?
Sure. Yeah, so the Deluxe and the Classic, these are all available now on Maxpedition.com. Deluxe is retailing for $89, and the Classic is retailing for $59. So these are definitely
pretty reasonable.
We designed these as the value version of some of our bags to make them a lot more accessible. The prototypes are going to be available probably in late April or early May timeframe.
Okay.
And the pricing is not exact pricing is not determined yet. But again, these were going for the same sort of the price levels as these backpacks.
Okay, so probably under $100.
Probably. Yeah,
awesome.
Probably under $100.
That sounds great.
Well, this one's going to be maybe 30 to 40 bucks, and these will be a little bit more, maybe a little bit more than these guys.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, there's a little bit more going on in these bags than there is in this one. There's clearly more features and all that.
Yeah.
So tell me about this TT line. Can you walk me through some of the features?
Sure. Awesome. Yeah, so we designed this backpack a lot for the bushcrafting or the woodsman lifestyle.
Yeah.
It was designed, the traditional backpacks have a top lid. So we designed this backpack to sort of mimic that look, except this is not really a top lid, it's a front accessory pocket.
Okay.
You can gain access to it here with this zipper. But what's special about this backpack is the access to the main compartment. So you have the traditional U-shaped zipper on top. It gives you access to the main compartment. But also, when you unclip this top pocket, you can actually see there's a hidden pocket along the full length. So you can actually lay this down and have this big access to the main compartment.
Wow, okay, right, yeah.
So, and then when it's closed, all the zippers on this backpack are flapped, which means the zipper tracks are covered. So when you're actually using
snow,
dirt, water, snow, and also just to not show the compartment. So here, when you're walking around, you don't actually see the zipper going across the full front.
Here's a real clean look.
Exactly, clean look. So yeah, so the TT backpacks design is done and they're in production. So we're looking at them in late April to early May delivery.
Awesome. All right, so this is the Rolly Polly Folding Tote, right?
That's correct, yeah. So
I got it. Tell me a little bit about it.
So the Rolly Polly is a well-known product that we had in our legacy line since 2003, so dump pouches. Yeah, so this tote, we sort of went back full circle and brought back this concept of folding in a tote format. And this is designed as a tote that you can just stick into your backpack. And if you're traveling or doing any sort of activity, you can immediately pull it out and have some added capacity. And it folds up like this, so nice clean little wad. All you do is undo the hook and loop strap and it opens up like this.
Awesome.
And just to show you the capacity, I can stick this entire backpack inside and you can see that it fits. Yeah. There you go. This is just from some added capacity.
That's a lot of room. And that all fits in this.
All fits in this, yeah. It comes in 4 different colors. So you have this OD green, black, dark blue, and the wolf gray.
That's pretty slick. Good. Well, Tim, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you for putting up with my stupid questions. Thank you guys for watching. If they want to know more, where should they go?
For more information, you can visit Maxpedition.com. For the new products and new prototypes, we're going to be rolling out more detailed feature videos, so stay tuned on Maxpedition.com.
Awesome. We're going to be at a lot of other booths, so stay tuned. I love you.